been clocked at 376 miles per hour. It will shoot out in afterburner from the jet engine 75 feet of raw flame. Tonight, Paul Stenman, the creator and the driver of this one-of-a-kind machine, will create his own weather pattern at Grand Junction. We will see thunder clouds. We will see lightning light up the thunder clouds, and we will hear thunder from Paul Stenman. And then his need-for speed. He's starting to build that cumulus cloud now, the storm clouds you see over Colorado. Very soon, he lights them up. Lightning in the sky at night. All started with the original used school bus. The parts on this one from the old school bus are about 5% of the total construction. They include a handle and the original door. The rest is high-grade aircraft sheet metal and tubing and composite material. Very strong, very light, and very expensive. Now that's the way to continue your education. Even I could have graduated about 40 years. We started to reintroduce jet-powered vehicles of all types and surveys as Paul Stenman creates them. So we've got this man, Paul Stenman, one of the indie boys with his creation called School Time. We have a 3-engine fuel-built jet truck. We have a twin-jet engine Chevrolet pickup, chrome and candy apple red. We have Dodge pickups. We have